Hey everyone, Kayla with Ressio here. Today we're going to be going through another feature that Mason offers us. So we're going to be using your Ressio project assistant here today, the Ask Mason button in the upper left-hand corner of your Ressio project. And today we're going to go through how Mason can create a daily log post for us. So I'm going to navigate over here and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to say, Mason, can you make a daily log post for what was completed on March 16th. I know I have some information in there that was completed on the project schedule, so we're going to see what Mason can do for that. So I'm going to go ahead, enter that, and let it start thinking. So now Mason has asked me a couple questions on where I want them to pull the information from, so I'm going to see if they can pull from the schedule. And we'll send that off. Now it's going to pull in some details regarding what was completed on March 16th from the schedule. So it looks like it's just the design deposit here, but of course this could get more in depth as you get further into the project. Framing, other big milestones are completed, but essentially I'm going to have it create a post for me for this pre-construction milestone, and then I want to let it know, do I want this to be a public daily log post, meaning that the customer will get notified of it, or do I want to keep it private, meaning just for my internal team? So I'm going to say public. Now Mason is showing me what it's planning on creating for the daily log post, and I can go ahead here, add any commentary and edits, or I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And now Mason has created my public daily log post for March 16th. I'm going to go ahead and click on this link and we can go ahead and check it out. So we can see the daily log post that was made. I can come in here and edit if I need to, add any photos, do my own commentary on it. And then we can see it has what was completed, the date, and then also we'll pull in that job site location weather from that date. Hope this was helpful for you guys. Definitely let us know if you have any questions. If you are not a current Ressio customer, reach out to us. We'd love to schedule a demo. And for any of our current customers, definitely reach out to your customer success coach or manager for more details. Thanks so much.